Fire has always been part of human history. In Mexico, fire lives in celebration, tradition, and culture. But in seconds, it can also become an injury. Every year, millions of people suffer burns and wounds caused by accidents in homes, workplaces, industries, and public spaces. In critical moments, immediate care is often inaccessible, expensive, or environmentally unsustainable. SANAVE was born from a local context, but designed for a universal need. Developed from agave-derived biomaterials, SANAVE rethinks how emergency care devices can heal both people and ecosystems. Its structure, cartridge, and removable nozzle are designed using biodegradable biomaterials derived from Mexican agave waste. Designed to be placed near first aid stations and fire extinguishers, SANAVE is created for intuitive and immediate use during emergencies. The system guides users through fast emergency response even without medical training. Clear instructions help stabilize burns and wounds during the most critical first moments after injury. The removable biodegradable nozzle helps maintain hygiene while reducing disposable plastic medical waste. The first stage cleans and disinfects the affected area. The second prepares and stabilizes damaged tissue. The final stage releases an agave-based regenerative hydrogel that forms a protective layer over the wound. Inspired by the protective behavior of skin itself, the material helps isolate the injury from external contamination while supporting recovery. Developed through research in collaboration with biotechnology specialists from Tecnológico in Monterrey, SANAVE explores the regenerative potential of agave-derived compounds for accessible first aid care. Its application extends beyond a single context. SANAVE is designed for everyday emergencies across diverse environments and communities, from agricultural waste to medical care and back to the earth. By transforming agave waste into medical biomaterials, SANAVE also creates opportunities for local production, circular economies, and regenerative futures. A medical device, a biodegradable system, a new approach to emergency care. Accessible, intuitive, and regenerative, from the heart of the agave, a new form of care begins to bloom.